Hello and welcome to another Stellarian Games video. In this video we're going to be continuing the DM box series where we are filling up a Dungeon Master's kind of beginner box with a whole bunch of different goodies. In this case we're going to be starting off with some basic scatter terrain elements, some barrels, and some crates. These are made from simple wood crafting elements that I found at Hobby Lobby. And they make really simple, easy scatter terrain, and who doesn't need a lot of scatter terrain on their board? So we're going to go take a look at how these are made, and this will just be the next one in that series, and hopefully we'll continue with a few more. So let's go to the table and see how it's done.
Okay, to start this craft, we're going to be using 1/2-inch wooden blocks. We're going to use a wood burner to just wood burn in some planking to the side of the crates. Relatively simple craft. You can get a little bit more finesse. You'll see some of that in the pictures. Then we're going to move on to the barrels. This takes a little bit more finesse than the crates do because you have to get in between those steel banding around the barrel without putting grooves into those banding. But just putting in all of the boards, trying to line them up top to bottom with the wood burner. Getting in between the banding, as I said before, and then also doing the ends of the barrels to make sure that it kind of finishes off the full look. Then I'm using actual wood stain. I think this would have been fine if you wanted to try to paint it, but I thought this might be easy. Just dip it in the wood stain and rub it off on the paper towel. Just dipped all of the crates and all of the barrels and letting those dry. Once that's completely dry, I'm just coming along with some black paint and painting up the banding around the barrels. I also did a little bit of detail work on the barrels and crates, adding some lettering and words on the side. And that is really it. You could spray these and seal them if you wanted to. Otherwise, you end up with a really simple craft. It's some little wood burning, some stain, and a little black paint, and you have some really nice scatter terrain for your dungeon. I hope you liked this video. If you do, please hit the like button and subscribe, and we'll see you again next time. Thank you.